Hi eSTEM Math, this is Mr. O again, and we're back with another quiz that I'm going to go over the answers to. So we're going to evaluate piecewise functions algebraically and graphically. So to start off with, since these are piecewise functions, whatever the x value is that they give you, in this case 10, you've got to find which interval it goes into, which in this case 10 is between 8 and 12. So we're going to use this function, 1/2 times quantity of x minus 8 minus 1, and all we're going to do is plug in 10 for x. So when we do that, you can plug it into your calculator, you can do it in your head if you so choose, but just to be on the safe side, let's go ahead and use the calculator. So put it into your calculator, hit enter, and the answer is 0. So then we go to number 2, we're looking at 4. Well, 4 fits between 0 and 5, so this is going to be -2 times 4. And that one's a little too simple, so we're just going to go ahead and say, I believe that all of you can determine that that's -8. 15. 15 goes between 12 and 16. So 2 times 15 minus 12 plus 1. Plus 1. So that answer is 7. And finally, 7 is between 5 and 8. So 3 times 7 minus 5 minus 10. And that is -4. So there's the front page. And the big key again is whatever x value they give you, you've got to find the right interval to plug it into. And whatever interval it fits in is the function you use. Okay, the back page. We're going to use the graph to, and excuse the typo, at right, R-I-G-H-T. And we're going to find these values. So the x is -5. So I come over to my graph and I find -5 on the x-axis. And here's -5. And in essence, imagine somewhere along this line it hits the function, and there it is. So what is the location of that point? Well, it's -5, -2, so the answer is -2. They give you the x, they want you to find the y. So -1, pick a different color, -1, and there you go. So that one is 4. So 3, here's 3, and it just happens to also be -2. And finally 6, if I draw that line, it touches the function right there at the end point, which happens to be 6, 1, so the answer is 1. Okay, so good luck guys, hope this helped, and see you at school.